Hey guys, this is Doris from High Technology. If you are running a Xerox B9100, you need to check this out. This is our period fuser upper roller, and it is a total game changer. Notice the color here. It's a bit of white. While the OEM is usually a bit garish white because the main surface made of high-grade ceramic. Now, although this is not original, but trust me, the quantity is a suitable selling for compatible products on the market. The print result, incredible, close to the original. You will barely see any difference. In fact, we have several major clients who have been reordering this exact rollers for over 10 years. That's how stable it is. Also, here are the best parts. It saves you tons of time. It comes complete pre-assembled. Look here. You get a pair of OEM gears, a pair of OEM bearings, part compatible washers, and bushings. Everything is already installed right on the roller. No assembly need, just plug and play. Stop wasting time to assembly parts. Save your time and money without sacrificing quantity. DM us or leave a comment below to get your sample order today. See you!